CDT be seeing the $20 levels in its near future once again? Or is this a ticker which you should be cutting your losses from as it will continue going on a downward spiral? What's up, trading friends? Welcome back to another no BS non-biased price prediction video. Today we're going to be discussing CDT and where do I see the ticker heading from here on out. With that said, hit the thumbs up button if you're liking these videos, and if you consistently show up, I really appreciate all your support. Thank you. You're the best. Now let's get into it. So what is going on regarding CDT? Now CDT is a ticker which has had somewhat of a sketchy past, right? And when I mean sketchy, I'm talking about the price action, right? This is a ticker that has gone from being approximately $9,000 per share all the way down to $3 per share. The reality is though, it was never actually $9,000 per share. And this is one of the biggest misconceptions that new traders make when it comes to looking at a chart of a given ticker. They look at the chart, they look at its historic price, they go, oh my God, there was a point where this ticker was worth $7,000 per share. What was this, like Berkshire Hathaway or something like this? Oh my goodness, what was this, like Nvidia before the split? What is going on? No. What you're seeing over here are split adjusted prices. The stock was never worth $7,000 per share, but the stock has lost so much value over time that what it used to be worth looks like $7,000 compared to its $3 now price. Okay, so this is important. Why is this so important? This is really important, guys, because when in doubt, zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out, right? You can always tell the cloth that a ticker is cut from by just zooming out and looking at its price action. What do you see when you look at CDT? Pump dump, pump dump, pump dump. Pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, pump dump, over and over and over again. Now, why does this company dump? Is it the shorts? Is it the hedge funds? What's going on? I'm here to tell you guys the majority of the selling that you see when it comes to this ticker is actually internally. It's internal, allegedly. Okay, why am I saying this? Because the numbers show that, right? The numbers show that. So today we're going to be looking at CDT from three different aspects, right? We're going to be looking at the catalyst, we're going to be looking at the stock, we're going to be looking at the chart, right? Now the stock, we're going to talk about the company's cash holdings, the company's previous dilution history, the company's institutional ownership, the company's overhead supply, all these things that you need to account for when it comes to understanding insider dilution. Okay, so let's get talking about it. So first of all, let's talk about their cash. When it comes to their cash, they're broke, okay? They're broke. The numbers that I'm showing you right over here is based off of their most recent SEC filings, which they've uploaded, okay? The total cash and cash equivalents is sitting at -$1 million, -$1 million. Every single 3 months, the company's burning $4.3 million. Right now, they have less than $0, okay? They have less than $0. Now, what does this company do? Well, they go ahead and they dilute. They have a massive overhead supply, meaning that they have the ability to be actually diluting behind closed doors and pumping shares into the markets without actually announcing it. Now, do they ever have to announce it? Yes, they have to announce it eventually, but do they have to announce it before they do it? No, they don't. Not when they have the overhead supply like this company does, okay? When we go over here, when we actually look at the company's shares, so right now they have about 800K shares, right? Their current outstanding shares. They have 3.8 million at the money warrants. They have they have about 10K warrants, and they have about, another, we'll just say 10K, we'll call it, or 90K, that would be 90K. 90K for, what do you call it? They have 90K convertible notes, okay? So it's not looking good at all. It's not looking good from a dilution perspective. Now, what is dilution? So what dilution does is that it goes ahead and it pretty much adds more supply. If the stock market is supply and demand, right, what happens when the demand stays the same and now there's more supply? Well, the price of the product or whatever starts decreasing. Right? That's exactly what's happening over here. So imagine you guys are buying this ticker, but it's pretty much like blowing into a balloon that has holes all over it. The holes are made by the company by adding more shares. So you're buying, and they're adding more shares, and there's this kind of battle, right? And then on top of that, you obviously have the sellers, right? There's always sellers. So what happens? You get price action like this. Pump dump. 4-hour chart, pump dump, pump dump. Pump dump, 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 over and over and over and over and over again. Okay? Now I understand that the company's not listed in NASDAQ. Oh my God, NASDAQ, oh my God, NASDAQ, right? Well, let me show you what other companies also listed in NASDAQ. Okay, let me show you this NASDAQ that everyone's so freaking proud of and so happy to be a part of, right? Oh look. Probably considerably the worst stock in the history of the stock market, if you ask me. NASDAQ. Means nothing, okay? It really means nothing. Sorry to break it to you. right? Now, does that mean that I'm bearish on CDT? Honestly, I do anticipate another, random ass pump like we've seen right now. And the way to play the sticker is you buy slowly and then you set a limit order for something like, 20-30% plus above your entry. And then bam, when it gives you these random pumps, you're out of there with green profits. That's how you want to play them. You don't want to be playing them as a momentum stock. You don't want to ever get caught in the hype of these stickers. If this is on an uptrend, that is a selling opportunity for you. Remember that? Remember who told you that? I did. Selling opportunity, okay? There's that. Now again, I trade a very specific trading style. Okay? I am very, very conservative. And my win-loss ratio shows that, right? I have over 81% win-loss ratio. And this is after over freaking, 400 plus trades, right? In the month of May, I only had 3 losing days. In the month of April, I had absolutely no losing days. I was away for a week. I was in Dubai, but again, no losing days in April. In April, I only had in March rather, I only had 1 losing day. The blues are break-even days. In the month of February, I had 5 losing days. Not that good. In the month of January, I only had 2 losing days. December, 4 losing days, and it goes onwards and onwards, right? 81% win rate. You don't get to 81% win rate trading garbage like this. You really don't, okay? Now listen, if you do want to trade alongside me every single day, I got good news for you guys. Right now, my community is on a 50% discount for the next 10 members that join. Our community is the only community out there, guys, that comes with a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. No one else is doing it. Whether you're a day trader, swing trader, options trader, whatever, we got it. This is the format that our trades are posted in. We give it a ticker, we give it a buy price, we give it an exit price, we give it a stop loss, we give you every single thing out there. A lot of these other communities, guys, the way they work is they just say levels, 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 levels. I am so sick of seeing levels. You know how I know this? I'm in 1,000 different discords because I want to see what are other people doing. Levels, levels. What the fuck is this, a Vici song? Talking about some levels. Tell me when to buy, tell me when to sell. That's exactly what we do. That's why we have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. Maybe pause it and read some of these, reflection points from the community members and everything like that, right? But yeah, we've been kicking ass, man. We've been kicking ass day in day out, and that's why we have over 400 members coming back month after month after month. So check it out, guys. The link is in the comment section and description. And yeah, I look forward to meeting you guys in the community. And we're the only community officer that offers a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. I don't know if I already said that or not, but give it a shot. See if you make money. If you make money, stick around. If you don't make money, pack it up and leave, okay? We trade stocks, we trade options, we do it all. We even have a crypto section. We have lessons, one-on-one access, you name it, we got it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Happy Wednesday in trading, my friends. And remember, never give up, never quit, because 90% of traders are not unprofitable. 90% of traders quit before they became profitable. Myself, I've been trading for 8 long years. The first 3 years were super long. The last 5 years flew by because I was profitable, okay? With that said, I believe in you, so believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.